In DM and SM, we have third practical email marketing campaign. कैंपेन एक प्लान एक्टिविटी होती है जिसमें किसी स्पेसिफिक गोल को अचीव करने के लिए एक फिक्स टाइम पीरियड में काम लिया जाता है। ईमेल मार्केटिंग में कैंपेन का मतलब ईमेल कैंपेन एक ऐसी प्रोसेस होती है जिसमें एक या एक से ज़्यादा ईमेल्स प्लान तरीके से टारगेट ऑडियंस को भेजे जाते हैं ताकि इंफॉर्मेशन देना, प्रमोशन करना या रिस्पॉन्स लेना पॉसिबल हो। कैंपेन हमेशा गोल ओरिएंटेड होती है, ये प्लान एंड ऑर्गेनाइज होती है। कैंपेन का ड्यूरेशन फिक्स होता है, एक में सेम पर्पज के ईमेल्स होते हैं। फॉर एग्जाम्पल एडमिशन नोटिस, फी रिमाइंडर, इवेंट इनविटेशन जैसे ईमेल्स अगर एक गोल के लिए भेजे जाए तो उसे ईमेल कैंपेन कहा जाता है। Different tools are available for this email campaign like Constant Contact, MailChimp, Bravo is there, MailerLite is there, GetResponse is there. Okay. कांस्टेंट कॉन्टैक्ट एक मेल मार्केटिंग टूल है जिसका यूज बिजनेस, टीचर्स, स्टार्टअप्स, क्रिएटर्स और कंपनीज करती है ईमेल कैंपेन भेजने के लिए। इसका यूज करके आप बल्क ईमेल सेंड कर सकते हो, न्यूज़लेटर क्रिएट कर सकते हो, इवेंट प्रमोशन कर सकते हो, कस्टमर लिस्ट भी आप इसमें मैनेज कर सकते हो। टू यूज दिस कांस्टेंट कॉन्टैक्ट, open any browser and type constant contact. Click on first link. It will take you on login page. If you are new user, you have to create account there. If you already have account, you can log in directly. As we are new user, we are going to create account there. For basically for what purpose we are going to use this constant contact. I want to attract new customers, I want to keep people informed, I want to promote my offers, I want to increase engagement. So whatever your goals are there, that you can select and click on continue. Then you have to enter address information. Once it is done, then click on continue. You have to select how many email contacts do you have. Select any one of this. If you don't have any email, you can select the last option and click on continue. You can add few contacts here. If you don't want to add, option is there, I will do this later. Right. So okay, now our registration process is done completely. What we have to do now, we have to verify our account from email ID. See, email is there. Verify your email address. Open it and verify email to use constant contact efficiently. Yes, verification is done successfully. Now we'll create our first campaign by using email. This is the dashboard of constant contact. Dashboard, it means that control panel from where we can control various activities. Campaign option is there, contact option is there, channel is there, okay, audience is there. Most important part that we want to see here, reporting. As I said, reporting is very important feature that constant contact provided to us. What is actually there? Performance matrix is there. How many emails you have sent, how many that receivers receive it actually, how many emails bounce, all details are here. How many receivers only click that mail, how many receivers open that mail, each and every detail will get from this reporting. First we'll create, I want to send bulk of emails, so select send an email option. Constant contact provides us various templates. Templates we can modify as per our need. If you don't want to use template. You can create your own email. You can build it from scratch. If you want to import your PDF, option is also given over here. For now, this demo, I want to go with template available. Yes, now see various types of templates available for us. Okay, we'll pick this one, adventure time. Whatever you want to modify in that particular template, this is the screen. Here you can modify that template. Preview and test option is there. It is always good to preview and test any email before sending, for checking spelling mistakes, for correct content, and how it will look. So preview and test is very important for each and every step. Untitled campaign created. Today's date is here. I want to change it for future use. So I'm going to make it as a demo one and save it. Now this page shows option like preview and test and continue button at the top. Preview and test is very important feature. We have to preview and we have to test any email before sending it to another person for checking spelling mistakes and correct content. Any another person will receive this email, how it will look like. So if you want to modify, click on email setting. It's a time for your next adventure. So I'm going to make changes over here for our understanding. So it's a demo one, and the remaining thing will keep as it is. Fine. If you want to add logo, you can add it from here. If you have any image related to your content, you can upload that image also. So whatever template we have selected, each and everything you can modify if you want. Then click on next, continue. You want to send this email now, or you want to schedule it for later, both options are available. I want to send it for now. Then audience list is there. Okay, so first we'll click here my contacts. We'll go in manage contact and see which contact is there, because till now we haven't added any contact. So go in manage contact and check which contact is actually there. Ravi Malhotra, csithub.technical@gmail.com. It means that this is a sender's email. By default, it is added over here. Now I want to insert more contact. I want to add more contact. I have single contact. If you have multiple contacts, you want to upload it from file and synchronous with integration. Multiple options are available. I want to add for now single contact. So okay, I have permission to mail this contact. This is required. So take it. First name, last name, not necessary. If you want to add, you can add it. Fine, save. See, this contact is here now. In this way, you can add multiple contacts. I want to select all from my contact. So it is selected. Many times we are receiving emails which we haven't opened. अगर हमने वो email open नहीं किए तो many times we are receiving it again and again. Why? Because there is option automatic resend. So जब तक वो रिसीवर है वो मेल को ओपन नहीं करता है, आपको मेल सेंड करने हैं by using system. So this option is available, and because of this okay, now senders details, we already added senders details. फिर भी एक बार चेक कर लेते हैं. Details are available. Okay, advanced setting. Okay, done. If you want to send it later and you want to save as a draft, choose this option. We are going with send now. Okay. See, congrats, you sent your first email by using constant contact as a part of campaign. This is a calendar view. Okay, email is sent already, so we'll check in inbox. We have received one email. Your campaign demo 1 has been sent successfully. Fine. Now we'll check in another user whether they receive or not. This is another user demo 1. Here also mail is received. Once email sent successfully, you can go in reporting and check whether it is affected over there or not. In this way, we have learned about how to use constant contact effectively for email marketing campaign. Thank you.